Have you ever tried to set up a web server only to be met with frustrating error messages? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the issue of nginx not starting and showing you exactly how to fix it. I know how annoying it is when you follow all the steps to set up your server, only to hit a wall with error messages. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face similar issues when configuring nginx. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why can't I start my nginx server after setting it up?" They mentioned that after creating their configuration file and symbolic links, they received an error when trying to restart nginx. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? The error message indicates that the control process exited with an error code, which often points to permission issues or misconfigurations in the nginx setup. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a pro tip at the end that will help you avoid these issues in the future. To begin resolving this issue, the user should check the permissions of the directory where nginx is trying to create its PID file. This is typically located at /run/nginx.pid. Next, the user should ensure that the nginx service is running under the correct user. This can be checked in the nginx configuration file, usually found at /set/nginx.com. If the permissions and user settings are correct, the user should check for any clinux issues. They can temporarily set clinux to permissive mode to see if it resolves the problem. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should review the nginx error logs for more detailed information about what might be causing the failure. The logs are typically located in varfn/nginx-error.log. Did you know? nginx was originally created to solve the C10K problem, which refers to the challenge of handling 10,000 concurrent connections. It's come a long way since then, but configuration issues can still trip us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests checking your error log for more details. You can do this by running the command sudo cat /nx/error.log or using WinSCP to navigate to the log directory. In their case, they found a syntax error in their server configuration file. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always double-check your configuration files for syntax errors before restarting nginx. You can do this with the command sudo nginx-t. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, your nginx server should be up and running smoothly. Remember, regular checks and proper permissions are key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus pro tip on keeping your server running efficiently.